today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Squarespace. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, an artist eager to showcase your portfolio, or simply looking to share your blog with the world, Squarespace offers an all-in-one solution to building your online presence. Let's start by considering what type of website you want to create. This initial step is crucial because it will guide your design choices and content strategy. Think about what you're aiming to accomplish. Are you setting up an online store, a personal blog, or a corporate website? Also, give some thought to what elements you might want to incorporate, such as images, videos, text, and perhaps a range of call-to-action buttons or links. Another good practice is to gather design inspiration by browsing other websites. Take note of layouts and elements that captivate your attention, paying special attention to the use of images, spacing, fonts, and colors, as these can significantly influence how visitors interact with your site. For additional inspiration, visit the Squarespace website itself. They provide a plethora of design examples that can get your creative ideas flowing. These examples are not just visually appealing, but are structured to incorporate all essential elements like images, text, videos, and interactive features, which are often key components of most sites. Once you've conceptualized your site, the next step is to access your Squarespace account. On the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll notice your profile. Click on it. Here, you have the option to select an existing website to work on or to create a new one. If you're starting fresh, click on Create Website and let your imagination take over. Squarespace's user-friendly interface encourages experimentation, so feel free to delve into all the tools available. Navigate through the platform by exploring the various features Squarespace offers. A particularly useful feature is the Add Blocks option. By clicking this, you can upload files such as images, videos, and audio to enrich your site. This is also where you can add and experiment with a variety of other blocks to ensure your site aligns perfectly with your brand's identity. Whether you need text blocks, forms, or social media links, everything is customizable to meet your specific needs. Don't hesitate to try out different configurations until you achieve a design that resonates with what you envisioned. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, hit Save. This will preserve all the hard work you've put into creating a stunning and effective website. Congratulations, you've just taken a significant step in establishing your online presence with Squarespace.